Hello there, everyone, and welcome to yet another newsletter from Nordic Anglers. Today, I have some different things I want to discuss and talk about regarding what's happening in the shop. The first thing is that finally, the Speedster in the Gunsmoke red color is back in stock. This reel has been out of stock for 8 months now, so we're really thrilled that we were able to get a few of these reels. I do not have many, but this is the perfect reel for the Scotch centric rod in regards to color combination and also weight and stuff. So I finally have the minus 5 plus and also the minus 7 plus back in stock. I do not have many of these, and I foresee that these will move quite fast. So if you've been looking for this reel, now is the time to get one. Also, the light speed in the color whiskey. No, the real Fuego is back in stock. Again, this is a reel that has been out of stock for quite some time. So if you're in the market for one of these, then now again is the time to move. We see a lot of different things, and this year has been quite strange. A lot of the supply chain has been delayed, and there's been just an enormous amount of things that have not been in stock and not been available throughout the year. So and I think that trend is going to continue. So there's going to be a shortage of a lot of different things, and also there's going to be a price increase on some things. One of the things that I foresee will be very limited and hard to come by is bucktail. So bucktail, if you're in the market for bucktails and you need bucktail, I would urge you to go and restock and shop and buy some bucktail, because I do not know when we will stock, how the stocks will go from now on with a product like this, and bucktail is an awesome product. So that's just one of the things that in the foreseeable future is going to be quite tricky and difficult to get. Another thing is the first brand we've talked to who has decided to actually make a price increase is Sage, and the price increase here is quite remarkable and quite big. Some of these rods are the price increase are varies depending on the different models. But it's from about 9% of a Sage igniter two hand to almost 20% on the a little less expensive rod series like the Payload and the Maverick, but it's all the Sage rods that have a price increase. This price increase will take effect on December 1st. So this is just a heads up. If you're in the market for a Sage rod and you want to buy a Sage rod, then the time to get one is now, because we will keep the old pricing all the way through November until December 1st, and then we will adjust the prices as well. So if you know that you're in the market for a Sage rod, now is the time to go out and pick one before this price increase, because as I said, some of these prices, the price increase here is quite steep, is quite big, and you know, I think that's kind of annoying, but it's just the way things goes. I think with the when you look at both the global increase in shipping costs, but also, you know, the demand and supply, there is a higher demand for rods, and has been this year than what the manufacturers can actually keep up with, and I think I don't know, but maybe that's what drives these price increases. But at least I think Sage is the first one, but I foresee that there's probably gonna be some more price increases on a lot of other top shelf brands. Normally, when Sage does something, some of the other brands follow along shortly after. But as again, it's speculations. I don't know exactly what's happening and what's going on. I only know that a lot of the costs regarding transportation and stuff has really increased many folds, and that of course will have an effect and will will have an effect on the prices of gear. So I think that about sums it up. There is a lot of good things going on. Also, we have this competition. So if you enter if you buy an order for more than 70 euros. In the web shop, you will get you will participate in a competition. We will draw a lucky winner of a Sage Sonic Rod, a free of choice Sage Sonic Rod on all orders placed in the web shop from the 5th of November to the 25th of November. And the way to enter is simply to purchase something in the shop, to make an order that's worth more than 70 euros. Then you automatically are in the competition, and the winner will be announced on Facebook, on our Facebook page, on the 29th of November. So some things are finally back in stock. Some things are about to go out of stock. And I do not know when we will get more, and we're probably gonna see some price increases on a lot of different brands in the upcoming months. So if you need gear, I think a good time to stock up on gear is now, because we don't know what the future holds. But as always, you can find all the reels, all the rods, and all the bucktail at our webshop. It's Nordic Anglers. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, then it would mean a lot to me if you would do. Well, nothing left to say, but good luck out on the water, and well, thank you for watching.